Good students, today I will teach you about some important question. Okay? In this, the sides AB and CD of a quadrilateral ABCD are extended to point P and Q respectively. Okay? Is angle ADQ plus angle CBP is equal to angle A plus angle C or not? Give reason. Give reason. Solution for this. Before we make figure, okay, A, B, C and D. Okay, here AB is standard. AB is standard. A, B is standard at P, standard till P, and CD is standard till Q. Okay, then this is the figure according to the question. Okay, then in this case, so angle ADQ plus angle CBP is equal to angle A plus angle C. This equal to this or not? Give reason. So it's we construct in join AC. Construct in join AC to solve or to show this equal to this or not. Okay? Here let ADQ angle 2 and CBP angle 1. Angle 1. Angle 1. Okay, and angle, this angle is equal to 3 and this is equal to 4 and this angle is equal to 5 and this angle is equal to 6. Okay, student? Angles show in number. Okay, then? Therefore, in writing very easily, here angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to angle A, is equal to angle A, and angle 4 plus 6, angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to angle C. Angle C. Okay, then? And you know that in a triangle, exterior angle is equal to always sum of the two opposite interior angle. Here, this is the triangle, then this exterior angle, let 4. And this angle is equal to 3 and this angle is equal to 5, any angle. Here in a triangle, exterior angle is equal to always the sum of two opposite interior angle. Okay, then here angle, exterior angle 4 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 5. On this basis, in triangle ADQ, in triangle ADQ, angle in triangle ADC, angle 2 is an exterior angle. Exterior angle, okay student? Therefore, exterior angle 2 is equal to sum of the two interior angle 3 plus 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Equation number 1. Okay student? And in triangle ABC, angle 1 is an exterior angle. Okay student? Therefore, exterior angle 1 is equal to angle 5 plus angle 6. Angle 5 plus angle 6. Equation number 2. Okay. Now on adding equation 1 and 2. Okay student? Then angle 2 plus angle 1 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6. Okay? In this case, we write here angle 2 plus angle 1 is equal to, we write angle 3 plus angle 5 plus in bracket angle 4 plus angle 5. Okay student? And you write here angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to A, angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to C, and angle 2 is equal to ADQ, and angle 1 is equal to CBP. Therefore, we can write here angle ADQ plus angle CBP. CBP is equal to angle A plus angle C. Okay? It is correct. Okay? Then these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay? Then ADQ plus angle CBP is equal to angle A plus angle C. It is correct. Okay student? Next problem I teach you about next problem, which is very important question. The question is, in a quadrilateral ABCD, angle D is equal to 150 degree and angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Find the values of angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay? here solution for this we make a figure here 150 degree. Okay then, and here A, B, C and here D. Okay then, and here and let angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to X. Okay, here let angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to X. Okay then, since in a quadrilateral sum of the all angle is equal to 360 degree. Okay then, and here therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree, and here X plus 150 is equal to 360 degree. Here sum of the all we get 3x, and here 150 is equal to 360 degree. Okay then, and here 3x is equal to 360 degree minus 150 degree. Okay then, we get here 210 degree. Okay, therefore x is equal to 210 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja, we get here 70 degree. X is equal to 70 degree. Okay then, therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 70 degree, which is answer. Thus, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay student, next problem I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.